You pouring the juice in there?
Ain't no juice in there.
Alright, I'm gonna put that on the dish. You know what? That's the reason I like cooking. There's be so many damn dishes.
Alright, now.
Okay, you want to separate it?
No, leave it alone.
No, excuse me. Alright, you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in with the Ruffins Cooking Sunday dinner. It was so damn good. Have you tasted it?
Yes, of course.
You must taste your food. Let me get some. No, God, you didn't even put the yum yum on it yet, did you?
Oh, that's for you.
You gotta have yum yum. It's like the salt to the pepper. Don't put it on all of it, babe.
Oh.
Because I need to clean up this kitchen before I cook, before I eat. What, babe? You gonna say now what?
Get your yum yum.
Did you put some on there?
Yeah.
I don't see it. Don't lie, it's right there.
Okay.
You trying to be selfish.
All right now.
This is so good. All right, baby, thank
Juices.
you. Well, the football game is too long. All right, you guys, if you want to get straight to when we start cooking, stop and skip to minute 3:18. That is when I'll start cooking. If you want to know all the ingredients, how much stuff costs, then let's go right here. We start with savings. So don't be confused because there's so many different. You have buttermilk, spaghetti, acorn, and butter. Remember on Big Booty Zoodles, get this thing right here and put it in the machine and turn it. But this is not the squash we're going for today. So we're going to go over there and get that squash. So not everyone really cares about how much it costs to make this meal, but some people will care, and that is why I go to the store and I make sure I let everybody know exactly what we're putting in case you want to make it and how much it costs. Guys, you will definitely need teriyaki sauce, but do not be confused on this aisle because there's so many different sauces. You're going to have to go over to the Asian aisle, and let's go over there. And we're here. There's so many different kind, but the kind that we get is the Mandarin teriyaki panda. All right, time to get some shrimp. Normally check your coupon section in your newspaper or get coupons. If you're couponing, they'll have like a buy one get one free or, you know, whatever this bill may be. But we're gonna go with, I think, large this time. Go with your idea if you want small, jumbo, medium. It's all on you here, and it's what you want to put in your hibachi. Hey you guys, and thanks so much for tuning in to Shatima R channel. Today, of course, cooking with Shatima. We're gonna do things just a little bit different. I convinced D Ruffin, and if you don't know who that is, that's my wife. Yes! She's gonna be in the kitchen with me. We're gonna do cooking with the Ruffins on a Sunday. I want a hibachi, so I convinced her to let's get all the stuff for hibachi. And I actually have a question. Why is hibachi so expensive and it doesn't take that long to cook? Do you know? No? You can learn how to do it yourself. Stay tuned. Let's go because I'm about to show you and Dee about to give you her tricks. Alright, so all I want to do is go and give me some purified cold water and take whatever shrimp. And we went with the extra large. Babe, how many should we do? How many you say the people at the place do?
4 apiece.
She tried to land 4 apiece. So I could be like 8. That's too many. Yeah, exactly. Alright, so we're going to start with cutting up our vegetables. We have our broccoli, we have our onion, zucchini, and our squash. Chef knife, board, ready to go. So let's get this part on done. And of course, I got TT's rum punch. Yes, gotta have me a little rum and this tropical blend V8 juice. Okay.
Right here.
Halfway from the salsa pan.
There you
We'll
go.
say that. Okay. What we gotta do now? Get it on hot boiling, right?
Yes.
Yes. And then once it starts boiling, we'll put the rice in. I did want me to remind you guys when you're doing your onion, make sure that you leave some and put to the side. What is it going in the side for, babe? This for the rice, the second one?
Yes, it's for the rice.
It's for the rice. Okay.
So chop it up small for the rice.
All right. So the other, okay, the rice one needs to be chopped finer, smaller than the other. All right. So I'll save this one and chop this finer. See, everybody is different, you guys. This is how she like her cut. Everyone different. This baby does not want too thin, too thick. Just right. And last but not least, we got your girl Zucchini. Looking at my bikini. One day I'm gonna wear bikini. I don't care big or not. Like, people think that we can't wear bikinis just how we can. My baby love my thick self. Last but not least, let's get this broccoli going. Get her cut up. I don't know how everyone like. We're gonna go overhead. The rice cooked faster than Babe thought it was going to. How long did it take? Like not even 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, about 7.
7 minutes. Added more water to it.
Cold water.
Cold water. So we got the shrimp and that's soaking in the water. So I'm gonna need to get this shrimp done. But first I'm gonna go ahead and cut turkey up. You can do chicken here, but since Baby eats for her blood type, we do turkey. And Ollie's has the best like $5.19, you guys. So darn good. So I'm just gonna we're gonna eat just this much right here. So you had to check me out. You don't like the way I cut it? You said it cute.
I try to get some of them kind of even.
Oh, that's what Chef Tyler said. Because
Yeah,
you know you
want
had
me
to
to
make
cook
sure to
uneven.
cook unevenly.
Yeah, girl.
Chef Tyler and Chef Ann always got me on that. Because some is smaller and some is big. Well. You gotta cut all damn ready. Babe, then you see how I feel to be in the kitchen the worst cook. Moving along, I had to go check on my baby, y'all, since she didn't cut herself. And really, I'm doing this miso pla to get everything ready, but yeah, I'm done with that. But what you need to know is you need to have all this stuff done prior to cooking. That's what Chef Ann always taught us, and that's what's called miso pla. Get everything cut, get everything cleaned off, get everything peeled, and have it to the side. So my bad. So when you're ready to go and cook, you got every single thing ready. Just literally right there. Lord, I left some shrimp in the tail pot. All right, y'all. So I wanted to come back and show you. I told you I had to peel the peel them. I didn't have to devein them because you can see that the poop, there is no poop on this side. But unless don't skip this step. Don't be lazy. And if you are lazy, have money or have somebody else do it. But you see on this flip side, you see that dark line. That's shit. That's doo-doo. As Dee would call it, doo-doo. So, you know, don't be lazy. Your insides and your family and friends will so thank you later. Get that crap out of there. See all that right there? See it at the tip? And there's a little piece left right here. See, I'm going to go back and rinse them anyway. But yes, double check. That's poo. Don't think I'm nasty. You was about to eat it if you ain't clean it. Yeah, that part. Ooh, she is working me. I had to get me a sip. We halfway done, right, babe?
Yes.
All right, so the miso pla is already done. We got our zucchini, our squash, our broccoli, our onions. And if you want to know what this second one is, babe, this is for the eggs, you said, right? We had to put this small one in the eggs.
That's for the fried rice.
For the fried rice. You had to save a little bit for the fried rice. I had the egg, then we have the shrimp, and we're using turkey because babe eats for her blood type, and we're still using turkey. But you use chicken. What else can you use?
Steak.
Steak. Shrimp, steak, chicken, turkey,
Lobster,
whatever you want to do it. Scallops, personalize it to yourself. And we got the jasmine rice, and baby really seems to like jasmine rice over other rice because she's cooked with all types of rice. Peanut oil. I grabbed Crisco oil and she had a fit. Is there a reason? Is there a reason why? No? Okay. Some soy sauce and we got teriyaki. So damn yummy. So, babe, after we got everything cut up, what's the next thing that you feel we're going to jump into?
We're going to cook the meat first.
We're going to cook the meat first. And we have, is there a wok pan? Zoom in, babe, and let them see the wok pan. Let them see. Just go real fast. It's okay. Okay, bring it back to me. You're doing too much. We'll be back. Goodbye.
All right. We're going to put the oil.
It's hot. Okay, so you need to turn it on and get it a nice sear, you said, right?
You use peanut oil.
Peanut oil like Chick-fil-A. And this is the turkey and the shrimp.
You think it's hot enough yet?
It smells hot. Let's see if it's hot. Test it. It sounds like it. It can get a little more hotter. Over here, where D is over there, is the pan we're going to set it on. You pouring the juice in there?
Ain't no juice in there.
Alright, gonna put that on the dish. You know what? That's the reason I like cooking. There'll be so many damn dishes.
Alright, now.
Okay, I'm gonna separate it.
No, leave it alone.
No, excuse me. In the same damn pan, she is adding her other protein. It's just a protein. Ah! You keep me messing up my skin. Oh, your beautiful skin, babe. Oh my God.
That one's sizzling, ain't it?
Oh my God, yes. Sizzle, freaking bizzle. What is this machine called? A walk machine?
It's a walk.
What is it? It's a hibachi machine. You can cook everything in it, you guys. I'm going to show you a picture of it. I'm going to insert it probably right in the middle of this stove.
You can put a little bit of salt on it.
Oh, get your salt. I want to drop it from here. Give it to me, babe. I'll help you. This is what this is. Ruffin Sunday cooking. It's okay. We're only on 1 minute and 46 seconds. You're going fast. You're making me dizzy.
You're already dizzy.
You married me, so it don't matter. It smells so good in here.
It's not a lot of salt. It looked like it.
Right. But leave it out. Look, Chef Ann always told me I ain't put enough salt. And Chef Tyler, they said, you don't put enough salt. I said, hey, Chef D-Ra.
Little teriyaki. All right. That's good.
So then you gonna what? Take it out.
Yeah.
They just gonna get a little bit on that.
Yeah. All right.
See? But I'm sitting up here sweating. I'm up here shooting.
Sweat this right here.
Oh my God.
Alright.
You gonna put the other stuff in there?
Maybe need a little bit more oil. See the hand in the glove?
Huh?
Oh, we don't need that.
How did heel get in there? I like the heel in bread or veggies. Where's the broccoli and shit? Okay.
At this point, you guys, if you don't have a big pan like we do, just grab 2 of your biggest pans and throw all your veggies in there.
Don't be rushing it now.
Okay, get her in there.
So you need more oil.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on the oil, you guys, and it all has to do with temperature as well. Have everything. It makes it so convenient to do everything in one freaking bowl, not just for washing, but everything. Oh, I know you wanted some oil.
That's what you said.
You said you needed some. You didn't say you did none. Don't try it, girl.
Yeah, you said it.
Here, peanut head.
You see.
I'm handing it to you. Hibachi, if you're just tuning in, is what we're going for. We have turkey. We have shrimp. We have zucchini. We have squash. We have onions. We have broccoli. We have the egg over here that's going to go in the rice, which is jasmine rice. She's putting water in right now. Smile. Look at all that smoke. Yes. I can still see a teeny bit. I love you, babe. I love this. Cooking with the Ruffins. Oh, tell the people why you got that glove on.
Oh, well, I cut my finger.
You cut your finger. No biggie. Alright, this is the everything tray. Always make sure you have your everything pan so you put all your stuff on. Same pan. And we just wipe with a napkin, right?
Yeah.
That's a good pan. Everybody can't do that. Look at how you can have scrambled cheese eggs in 1.7 seconds. I be damn. Get some eggs, you done. Don't even tell your man or your woman how fast and what you can do. Alright, so that was my contribution. The egg. Is that fried egg, right? That way.
Put the onion in here.
Pour the onions in there?
Yep. Put the onion in there.
That is pouring! Don't be rude, Lucille. Where I'm putting it when I get finished, honey? Well, I'm going to flip this over. She's rolling up in the plate. How much longer?
Put you some soy sauce, a little soy sauce.
A little soy sauce. That's enough?
A little bit more. Okay.
Don't get mad because I ain't doing it how you want to do. You had your part. TT taking over now. Thank you. My lips are dry.
TT taking over now.
I bet y'all don't cut my fingers like I did in class, in boot camp.
Alright, now the teriyaki.
Now teriyaki. And this is from Panda. In the Asian aisle.
Okay.
Check the beginning of the video, you guys. I let you know exactly what I got and how much everything costs. You want to surprise your baby with a nice dinner. If we weren't filming, how long do you think this would take?
I don't know.
30 minutes, 45, or an hour?
Quicker.
Yeah, about 25 minutes.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Wait a minute now. Easy on my pan.
Excuse me.
Excuse you.
We'll be back if I have to kill her over her pan. Goodbye. Yes. She is not. Get you some shrimp. Don't forget that shrimp.
All right.
Is this done?
It is.
What?
Now you might need to put a little bit more sauce on it. Soy sauce or teriyaki sauce. Or
To liking. And do not forget TT's Yum Yum. That's
Yum.
right. All right. Let me get some.
Here you have it, you guys. The Ruffin's hibachi with shrimp and turkey and broccoli and squash and zucchini and onion. And yes, it was so damn good. Would you like a plate?
The Ruffin's cooking Sunday dinner. It was so damn good. Have you tasted it?
yes, of course.
You must taste your food. Let me get some.
Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, you guys. See you next time.